Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is forex profit machine beginner's guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading, okay? So you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then case tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this SmartAgentX review. Right now, we are on the sales page and it says deploy your own AI marketing agent that turns any website into automated free traffic content machines in just minutes. Collect high ticket fees by offering this to others or use on your own campaigns. Now, before you go and buy this, you have to watch I think 11 minutes or 12 minutes long demo video. I have seen it and there are too many features. Okay, so you're getting almost everything, Facebook articles and his ads, everything. I'll show you in the demo video in a moment. Okay, but you have to spend your own 12 minutes in watching this demo video later on. Okay, so you will find the demo video on the sales page itself. So how do you come to the sales page? Just below my YouTube video you will find a link which says grab SmartAgentX copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Okay, and if you decide to buy, then you will get those bonuses as well using my link which we have discussed in the beginning. And also you can see my own products which I launch related to AI. So you can check out all my Warrior Plus products if you click here. And you can check out this one, Review to Profit AI. For example, this is my software. Okay, it does few things. You can visit the sales page and then see if this is gonna help you with something, and you can buy my products too. Okay, so let's close that. So go and check out these links, and coming back to the sales page right here, grab the link below my video and come to the sales page. And then what we have too much information here. Okay, so none of this will make sense to you until and unless you watch the demo video. Okay, so don't go by the theory, what is written on the sales page, what is not written. All you have to do is keep scrolling until you find this 11 minutes 55 seconds long demo video. Okay, I am going to show you some glimpses only. I can't play the whole demo video. I already have just seen it. So once you log in, let me maximize actually. So once you log in, what we got? You have some social posts, image generator, this and that. So let me show you one by one when they create the project. So what is this? You are going to create some social media images, I guess. Okay, and this is all using AI. All you have to do is just press these buttons, and then it will just give you these prompts or these descriptions. So you can post these things on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can connect your accounts here. Also Twitter included. Okay. These are the sample images which you can see. You can generate using AI. And again, this is your dog training program. So you can generate something for your business. Okay. Or what do we have here? Image generator. Okay. So let's say, this is again for social media. Then again, you have image editor. You have audio. You can create cover letter. You can create email content generator, email subject lines. You can create articles, and you can see these articles. Okay. What else do we have? So I'm just showing you some glimpses only. And in the end, I think you have white label, which means that you can buy the white label license from them, and you can sell this as your own software by changing the details here. So you can change the name of the software and sell it as your own software as well if you get the white label license. Okay, so I can't explain everything in 1 minute what I have seen in 12 minutes. So you have to go and spend your own time in watching this demo video before you decide to buy. You will find the link of the sales page. Click on the sales page link below my video, come to the sales page, then scroll maybe 60% down, and then you will find the demo video. Watch the demo video and then go and grab this copy using my link below and get the bonuses as well. And then do we have some question answers at the bottom? Let me see. The pricing will be 37.47. Okay, so it shows 47. I think the minimum will be 37, 30-day money back guarantee as well. So what do we have here? We have the question answers here. So do I need any marketing experience? No. Can I use a SmartAgentX to create campaigns for clients? Yes, you can. In the agency license, you have to upgrade. Does SmartAgentX work for any market? Yes, it does. Is there monthly fee? No. Is there money back guarantee? 30 days. Okay, so let's go and talk about OTOs. This is launching on 6th of June, so you can't buy before that. So it shows you the timer here, 23 hours, something left. Okay, launching on what? 6th of June. Okay. Now, let me give you a discount coupon first. So you can get the discount on bundle offer. If you go and buy the bundle offer, you will get the discount of $100 altogether. So use SAX SmartAgentX 100. That will give you $100 off if you buy the whole funnel. Okay. And on front end, you can get the discount SAX 20. That saves you 20% off. So 47 20%, not $20. You can save 20% on $47. So I don't know if you will be getting it for something like maybe $37. Okay, go and do your maths calculations. Okay, and what we have here. So this is the front end. It's showing $37. Use the coupon code I gave you here to save some money. So you will be getting credits, and if you run out of the credits, you have to maybe buy more or maybe upgrade. Okay, so Smart Agent front end will cost you $37. Then OTO one is a pro version in which you will get more credits, 4 times more credits, and $67. OTO 2 is what? OTO 2 is agency license, so that you can use it for your clients. Okay, $97. OTO 3 is traffic booster something, $47. Just go and read everything what they're saying here. SmartAgentX reseller license. You can resell this as your own franchisee. Okay, pay them $197. And in reseller, what does it mean? It means that you can sell this as a SaaS, software as a service, but you can't change the name, you can't claim the ownership. Okay, bundle offer is for $247. Smart Agency X Ultimate Webinar Bundle, $297 one-time cost. And what is this? Smart X, I think we are done. So try to use that coupon code as well, which I gave you. Maybe that will work on this one. I don't know. Okay. try to use this coupon code and see if it works maybe here on this bundle offer. I am not sure yet, okay, but just go and try. But this will definitely work on the front end, giving you 20% off. Okay, I guess we are done with this. So what you have to do is go below my YouTube video, click on the link that says grab smart agent copy. Click on that link, come to the sales page, then scroll further down, watch this 12 minutes of long demo video. After that, go and buy from me, and I'll send you the bonuses as well. And now I will go ahead and talk about how do I make money using these links. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online. And below the video, you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page. After that, it is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers, or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss shacking bonus we discussed, because kiss shacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss shacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.